we're going to do I Ready Math.
Find 3 times 9. Show different ways to break apart the factor 9. Complete the equation to show one way. You can break apart the array to help. Drag the slider back to the start to move the other slider. Got it. 9 can be broken apart into an array with 4 counters in each row of one part and 5 counters in each row of the other part. 3 rows of 4 counters in the left array is 12 counters. 3 rows of 5 counters in the right array is 15 counters. How many counters are there in all? Find the product. Three times 9 equals 27. Show a different way to break apart the factor 9. Complete the equation. You can break apart the array to help. Nine can be broken apart into an array with 6 counters in each row of one part and 3 counters in each row of the other part. 3 rows of 6 counters in the left array is 18 counters. 3 rows of 3 counters in the right array is 9 counters. How many counters are there in all? Find the product. Three times 9 equals 27. First, you broke apart the factor 9 into 4 and 5, and then into 6 and 3. Either way, the product is the same. Find 4 times 6. Show different ways to break apart the factor 4. Complete the equation to show one way. You can break apart the array to help. Four can be broken apart into an array with 2 rows of counters in one part and 2 rows of counters in the other part. 2 rows of 6 counters in the top array is 12 counters. 2 rows of 6 counters in the bottom array is also 12 counters. How many counters are there in all? Find the product. Four times 6 equals 24. Show a different way to break apart the factor 4. Complete the equation. You can break apart the array to help. 4 can be broken apart into 3 rows of counters in one part. And how many rows of counters in the other part? Four can be broken apart into an array with 3 rows of counters in one part and 1 row of counters in the other part. 3 rows of 6 counters in the top array is 18 counters. 1 row of 6 counters in the bottom array is 6 counters. How many counters are there in all? Find the product. Four times 6 equals 24. First, you broke apart the factor 4 into 2 and 2, and then into 3 and 1. Either way, the product is the same.
What's next? Find 5 times 7. First, make an array to show 5 times 7. This is one way to break apart the array into 2 smaller arrays. Complete the equation to show how the array is broken apart. Complete the expressions to represent each array. How many counters are in each array? How many counters are there in all? Find the product. Show different ways to break apart 8 times 6. First, make an array to show 8 times 6. This is one way to break apart the array. Complete the equation to show how the array is broken apart. The 8 rows are broken apart into 6 rows in the top array and 2 rows in the bottom array. Let's break apart the array a different way. Complete the equation to show how the array is broken apart now. Nice job! You received 20 coins. You, Plory! Here is today's learning target. Break apart numbers to make multiplying easier. Mr. Collins sets up 6 rows of chairs for his music students. Each row has 8 chairs. Find how many chairs there are in all. First, complete the equation to show a way to break apart the factor 6. Next, drag the slider to show how 6 rows of chairs can be broken apart into a section of 2 rows and a section of 4 rows. Complete the equation to represent each section of chairs.
Guys, I'm sorry for not talking too much at you. But guys, I just needed to do this. I was thinking like, what's the answer? Sorry for making that noise if you guys don't want it.
Find how many chairs are in each section. Complete the equation. Find how many chairs are in each section. Complete the equation. Now, find the total number of chairs. What is 6 times 8?
I think it's 48. I'm almost late.
6 times 8 equals 48. So, there are 48 chairs. Look at other ways the factor 6 can be broken apart. You can break apart the factor 6 into smaller sections using facts you know. Each way shows a total of 48 chairs. You broke apart the first factor in 6 times 8. Now, let's break apart the second factor. First, complete the equation to show a way to break apart the factor 8. Next, drag the slider to show how the factor 8 is broken apart. That is a way to break apart the array, but it does not show 3 counters in each row of one section and 5 counters in each row of the other section.
I thought it said pass. Not gonna lie. I'm the focus in words.
Complete the equation to represent each section of chairs.
Quiz. My name is Big Are you a Biggie? They told me about Iggy. Biggie Iggy. It rhymes. Biggie Iggy. It rhymes. That's it for today. Bye, everyone.